How can the global transition to electric vehicles succeed if copper supply falls short? A report from the International Energy Forum states that 55% more new copper mines are needed by 2035. But why is copper so important in EVs? Copper is the mineral most crucial to your future because it's essential for electricity generation, distribution, and storage. If you drive an EV, it requires 132 pounds of copper, which is more than twice as much as vehicles that run on gas, diesel, or a combination of both. Additionally, copper is necessary to update the electrical grid to accommodate the charging of these EVs. Now, according to a University of Michigan study, the availability and demand of copper will determine how quickly you can move toward electrification. However, copper cannot be mined quickly to keep up with the current policies that require the transition to electric vehicles. But globally, there are more than 709 copper mines in operation, with the largest being the Escondida mine in Chile, which produced an estimated 882,100 tons of copper in 2023. This may sound like a lot, but with electrification expanding globally, it isn't sufficient. The Michigan study focused on the copper required just for the production of EVs in the coming years. So to meet current needs, 115% more copper must be mined over the next 30 years than it has historically been the case. The report estimates that between 35 and 194 large new copper mines would need to start production over the next 32 years, or roughly 1.1 or 6 mines per year. Even though copper is highly valued for its ability to conduct heat and electricity, it's corrosion resistant and relatively low cost to produce, making it popular for a wide range of applications from motors and heating systems to appliances and telecommunications. About 75% of copper is used in electrical devices, most of which is wire or tube. The study found that renewable energy's copper needs will exceed what current mining rates can supply. From 2018 to 2050, the world needs to mine 115% more copper than all of human history up to 2018 just to meet current needs, not including the green energy transition. About 40% of new mine production will be required for EV-related grid updates. The research concluded that instead of fully electrifying the entire US fleet of vehicles, a focus on manufacturing hybrid vehicles might be more helpful. A Toyota Prius, for example, has a slightly better impact on climate than a Tesla. Instead of producing 20 million EVs in the US and 100 million globally each year, focusing on building 20 million hybrid vehicles could be more practical. Beyond EVs, copper is vital in other sectors. Building infrastructure in the developing world, such as an electricity grid for the approximately 1 billion people without access to electricity, is essential. Additionally, clean water facilities for about 2 billion people lacking access to clean water and wastewater treatment for the 4 billion people without sanitation facilities require significant copper resources. You can see that the global push for EVs and renewable energy creates an immense demand for copper, which mining companies are currently unable to meet. Hybrid vehicles and addressing infrastructure needs in developing countries may provide more balanced and sustainable solutions. The future of electrification and global development will depend on strategic resource management and realistic policy adjustments. Here's a thought to wrap it up. Can the world switch to electric vehicles and renewable energy without running out of copper? Don't forget to comment your thoughts down below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.